So here I have onion, garlic, celery seeds, small tomato sauce, stewed tomatoes, no salt added, extra virgin oil, dried oregano leaves, black peppers, and of course we'll have the unsalted butter. Let's get started. First, heat a pot in a medium heat. Add the butter. And then next, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then the shallot, onions, garlic. Add celery seeds and oregano. Then tomatoes. Give a little stir. Then add tomato sauce. Then add half cup of water. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, use a hand blender and make a puree, turning the tomatoes into soup. And lastly, but not the least, add black pepper, 1 tablespoon of white sugar just to balance the tanginess of tomato soup. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Little mix. Cover and simmer for 5 minutes in a low heat. Serve a bowl of tomato soup with ham and cheese sandwich. To make a ham and cheese sandwich, just pick your favorite sandwich ham and cheese and heat up a small pan. Add a little bit of butter and cook both sides until brown. When it's done, just transfer into a serving plate. Cut in half. Then add a few drops of your favorite cream onto your tomato soup. Sprinkle with dried basil if desired. Serve and enjoy your lunch.